Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix error not authorized to join this experience due to privacy setting on Roblox. So guys, this is error you can fix by variety of reasons, but usually it's pretty easy to fix. Step 1 guys, check your privacy setting, and first thing should to do is check your privacy setting and make sure guys that you're allowed to join private experiences. To do this, and go to the Roblox website and click on the gear icon and top corner, setting, and go to privacy and who can join games section, and make sure the setting is set to anyone, as you can see here. And this is how you can do guys, the first step. And you need guys to change anyone in order to join private experience. And step 2 guys, check the privacy setting, and if you're still getting error, check your privacy setting, then it's possible that experience itself, and set private and check this, and go to experiences page and lock the privacy setting if this set private, and then you will need to contact the creator and ask experience and ask them to change it to public. And step 3 guys, you should be reinstall Roblox and install again to solve this problem. I hope this video helpful. See you on another video soon guys.